Click on menu and select new projects. Select the MCU type as MSPM0 and name your project. Click on create projects. Now let's take the on interval node, which will repeat the flow for intervals of specified time. Let's keep it 2 seconds. Take the pin right node and connect it with on interval node. Select the port number and pin number. Specify the state of the pin. Take the delay node and connect it with pin right node. Again take the pin right node and connect it with delay node. Specify the pin level as 0. Now click on upload. The LED is blinking now. Let's create another flow. Take the on interval node and set its interval time as 0.01 second. Take the pin read node and select the port number as port B and pin number as 21. The state of the pin will be stored in pin level variable. Take the pin right node, select the port number as port B and pin number as 22. Specify the pin level as the variable pin level and upload the code. The LED is blinking now. And after pressing the switch, the blue LED turns off.